Let's pick it up at 17. Whiplash. A 1, 2, 3. Not quite my tempo. Again. 1, 2, 3. You're right. You're rushing. A 1. Wait for my cue. A 1, 2, 3. Dragging. Just a hair. A 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Whiplash by Damien Chazelle. So why do you suppose I just threw that chair at your head, Neiman? I don't know. Sure you do. The tempo? Were you rushing or were you dragging? I don't know. Start counting. 5, 6, 7, and 4, damn it! Look at me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Rushing or dragging? I don't know. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rushing or dragging? Rushing. So you do know the difference! If you deliberately sabotage my band, I will fuck you like a pig. Now are you a rusher? Or are you a dragger? Or are you going to be on my fucking time? I'm going to be on your time. What does that say? Quarter note equals 215. Count me at 215. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus fucking Christ! I didn't know they allowed retards into Schaefer. Am I to understand you cannot read tempo? Can you even fucking read music? What does that say? 8th note? Yes, what is that? Down at 16th note? Sight read measure 101. What are you, the fucking acapella group? Play the goddamn kit! Stop! Now answer my question. Were you rushing or were you dragging? Answer! Rushing. Oh my dear God. Are you one of those single-tiered people? Do I look like a double fucking rainbow to you? You must be upset about this. Are you upset? No. Oh, no? So you just don't give a shit about any of this? I do give a shit about this. Are you upset? Yes or fucking no? Yeah, you are upset. I'm upset. Say it so the whole band can hear you. I'm upset. Louder. I'm upset. Louder! I'm upset. You are a worthless, friendless, faggot-lipped little piece of shit whose mommy left daddy after she found out he wasn't Gene O'Neill, who is now weeping and slobbering all over my drum set like a fucking 9-year-old girl. So for the final father fucking time, say it louder. I'm upset. Start practicing harder, Neiman. Carl? Whiplash. Bar 125. Big boy tempo. A 5, 6, 7, and... Andrew eventually succumbed to the pressure and left Schaefer. He soon led a report that led Fletcher to get fired from his job as well. Though he thought it was behind him, at a jazz bar, who did he see but Fletcher playing? Fletcher spotted him and sat him down at a table for a drink. I don't know if you heard, but I'm not at Schaefer anymore. Yeah, I did hear that. Did you quit? Not exactly. Some parents got a kid from Sean's Casey here to think I think to say some things about me. Although I don't know why anyone would have anything but peaches and cream to say about me is a mystery. Yeah, it's a good laugh. I'm sorry. No, I get it. I know I've made enemies. I'm conducting a little. They're hosting a JVC Fest this year. They got me opening in a couple weeks with a pro band. That's great. It's all right. The truth is, I don't think people understood what I was doing at Schaefer. I wasn't there to conduct. Any fucking moron could wave his hands and keep people in tempo. I was there to push people beyond what was expected of them. Otherwise, we're depriving the world of the next Louis Armstrong, the next Charlie Parker. I told you the story about how Charlie Parker became Charlie Parker, right? Joe Jones threw a cymbal at his head. Exactly. Parker's a young kid. Pretty good on the sax. Gets to the play at the cutting section. Then he fucks it up, and Jones nearly decapitates him. He's laughed off stage, cries himself to sleep that night. But the next morning, what does he do? He practices, and he practices with one goal in mind: never to be laughed at again. And a year later, he goes back to the Reno, and he plays the best motherfucking jazz solo the world has ever heard. So imagine if Jones had said, well, Charlie, that's okay. That was all right. Good job. And then Charlie thinks to himself, well, shit, I did do a pretty good job. And that's it. No story. No bird. That, to me, is an absolute tragedy. No wonder why. But that's exactly what the world wants now. No wonder why jazz is dying. And I'll tell you, man, and every Starbucks jazz album just proves my point. There are no two words in the English language that are more harmful than good job. But is there a line? Maybe go too far and discourage the next Charlie Parker from ever becoming Charlie Parker? No, man, no. Because the next Charlie Parker would never be discouraged. Yeah. The truth is, Andrew, I never really had a Charlie Parker. But I tried. I actually fucking tried. And that's more than most people can do. And I will never apologize for how I tried. Thank you.